Lenovo Flex 514 2-in-1 laptop.
14.0 inches FHD, 1920 by 1080, touch display. AMD Ryzen 5 4500U processor, 16GB DDR4, 256GB SSD. AMD Radeon graphics. Digital pen included, Win 10. IdeaPad Flex 5. The IdeaPad Flex 5 gives you more creative choices by blending performance, connectivity, entertainment and affordability with a sleek design and feel. Privacy at your fingertips. Create till your heart's content, from 0 degrees to 360 degrees in a flash. Product description. Accessorize your lifestyle with the Lenovo Flex 5, 14 inches 2-in-1 laptop. Ultra thin, lightweight, and ultra portable. Whether you're enjoying entertainment at home, working in the office, or studying at school, full high-definition IPS panel with 2x2 speakers with Dolby audio. Technical details: standing screen display size, 14 inches. Graphics processor, AMD integrated graphics. Wireless type, 802.11 acres. Number of USB 3.0 ports, 2. Average battery life, in hours, 10 hours. Model number, 81 by 20005 US. Operating system, Windows 10. Weight, 3.63 pounds. Color, graphite gray. Processor brand, AMD. Processor count, 1. Computer memory type DDR4 SD RAM. Batteries, 1 lithium polymer batteries required.